First tonight, we're covering the price of paradise in the state of insurance. Good evening and welcome to ABC Action News at 6. I'm Wendy Ryan.
I'm Paula Groen. For the last year, we've been listening to so many of your stories of rising insurance rates, canceled policies, and denied claims. Insurance leaders claim the market is now improving, but is that being reflected in your premiums?
ABC Action News anchor Nadine Yanis goes back to one single mom she met last year to answer that very question. This as we look at the state of insurance in 2025. I was here in Pinellas Park this time last year speaking to single mom Marisa Borgia. Then she told me that her insurance rates doubled not once but twice in recent years. So as we are looking at the state of insurance in 2025, I'm coming back to see if Marisa's rates went up again this year, despite the fact that industry leaders say things on the insurance front are getting better.
This was when I bought the house in 2018.
With all of her policies all printed out, last year Marisa Borgia showed us how from 2020 to 2023, her insurance premium went from $763 to nearly $3,000. Having to get two part-time jobs then to make ends meet.
I am absolutely dreading the next renewal coming out.
So we came back.
It went to $35.95.
To see.
We went up another $600 in 2024. We didn't double again, but still a huge increase.
What is the pressure like when you see your bills are still going up?
It's stressful. Try to figure out, all right, well, where do I need to cut down to less internet? Do I need to cut food budget? Where can I decrease expenses to make things work?
We continue to see good news emerging as we go forward.
But insurance industry leaders say things are improving. The state insurance commissioner presenting a market report to the Senate Committee on Banking and Insurance this week. It shows the average insurance premium today is just over $3,700, high but stabilizing. Due in part to a 30% decrease in lawsuits filed against insurers. 9 new companies are now writing new business, meaning more competition to drive down rates. And as of January 11th, the commissioner says now 29 companies have filed for rate decreases in Florida.
I don't think, personally, we need to do more reform as far as the insurance markets are concerned.
But because of that, it doesn't look like we'll see any major changes in the 2025 legislative session.
We are bending the cost curve downward, and the reforms are working.
But this is something we have heard time and time again over the last year, that the market is recovering. But you just saw the numbers. Marisa's rates are still rising. So I am speaking to an insurance agent writing and renewing policies right now in 2025 to see if he is noticing rates are changing.
We're seeing commercial rates drop 30% in many cases, and that really tells me that that's where the homeowners market is going.
Jake Holhouse with HH Insurance Group says just recently, as of December, rates are dropping in renewals.
So despite the fact that I have viewers still emailing me, at least last year, that their rates are still going up, that could all change this year.
Absolutely. And think like downtown St. Petersburg, downtown Tampa, those type of areas. I think you're looking probably like a 0 to 10% rate decrease. I think if you're east of 75, that's where you're starting to see rates come down 20 and 30% in many examples.
I'll believe it when I see it. If the Sears number is less than 3,600, then I'll believe it.
So with the story and with the fact that we are now in a new year, we are recommitting in our promise to help you navigate Florida's fractured insurance market. And I want to hear your stories. Are you seeing your rates still go up? Are they going down? Are you getting dropped? Go ahead and connect with me. You can do so right now at abcactionnews.com/insurance. In Pinellas Park, I'm anchor Nadine Yanis, ABC Action News.